Tesla's brand loyalty has suffered some notable setbacks. According to an exclusive Reuters report, Tesla did more repeat business with US auto buyers than any other major car brand. But then, CEO Elon Musk backed Donald Trump's reelection efforts, and customer loyalty suffered as a result. S&P Global Mobility reports that Tesla customer loyalty reached an all-time high in June 2024, when 73% of households that already owned a Tesla and were in the market for a new car purchased another Tesla. S&P's analysis, based on vehicle registration data from every state, found that things started to change for Tesla in July 2024, when Musk became more politically involved. By March 2025, Tesla brand loyalty had free-fallen to 49.9%, below the industry average. The timeline aligns with Musk's efforts to establish the Department of Government Efficiency. Tesla's loyalty rate has since improved to 57.4% in May, above average, but still nearly 20 points lower than the high watermark. It's on par with Toyota, but lags Ford and Chevy. In May, Musk announced that he had left Doge and said his time with the administration had come, quote, to an end. This was before things became a bit more unamicable in June 2025, as Musk became critical of the administration's One Big Beautiful Bill Act. S&P analyst Tom Libby told Reuters that Tesla's fall from grace was, quote, unprecedented, adding that he's, quote, never seen this rapid of a decline in such a short period of time. While it appears as though some fences have been mended, Trump went out of his way to say that he wants Elon to, quote, thrive, Musk has warned that the company's, quote, rough quarters could continue into 2026. The car company has since been ordered to pay the victims of a deadly crash involving Tesla's autopilot feature more than $240 million in damages, and despite the market volatility, the car maker remains committed to keeping Musk at the helm. It recently awarded the CEO another 96 million shares worth some $29 billion, a move that some believe will keep Musk on as CEO until at least 2030. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.